In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a Monday.com Workdoc. Now, if you're not familiar with it, a Monday Workdoc is a dynamic, real-time workspace within Monday.com that's specifically engineered for collaborative brainstorming, planning, and execution of projects. Think of it as a central hub where your team can come together to work on documents that seamlessly integrate various elements like text, media, widgets, and even live data directly from your Monday.com boards. Creating a Workdoc is actually quite straightforward, and there are two simple ways to do it. The first method involves starting from the main dashboard. Over on the left panel, just next to the title of your current workspace, you'll find a little plus icon. Click on that, and a menu will appear. From this menu, all you have to do is select the Doc option. This will instantly generate a new Workdoc for you, ready to be populated with all the creative ideas and data your team can muster. The second method is particularly useful if you're already working within a Monday board. Let's say you're at a stage where integrating detailed narratives, plans, or brainstorming sessions is necessary for a specific project. Begin by adding a new table to your Monday board. To do this, simply click on the plus icon located next to the last column on your board. This will allow you to add various types of columns and features. Now, instead of adding another basic column, you'll be selecting the option to create a Monday Doc column. This action transforms that column into a place where each row has the potential for its own individualized document. Once you have that Monday Doc column set up, the next step is incredibly simple. Just click on an empty cell under this new column, and this will automatically create a fresh Workdoc dedicated to that specific item or task in your board. Essentially, every item can have its own accompanying document, which helps keep all relevant information perfectly organized and easily accessible for everyone involved. And there you have it. Those are the two straightforward methods for creating a Monday.com Workdoc, either starting from your workspace dashboard or directly from within your Monday board. This functionality empowers your team to collaborate more efficiently by keeping all the intricate details and brainstorming in one convenient and easily navigable space. So, dive in and start creating your Workdocs to foster a more collaborative and efficient work environment today.